I'll help you understand how to program one of our new Janus elevator phones using the onboard keypad. First, you have to hook up a good 9-volt battery. Wait a few seconds, give it a chance to charge. Then you're going to press the little program button. The phone will turn on and give you those tones. Then you're going to enter the access code, which is either this one, #94851. Get your 3 beeps. If you have a 2 LED phone, it would be #9 and 6 zeros. Then to add the first phone number, you're going to do #0 1800527 156 *#. I'm adding the phone number to call us here. You would do #0 and the phone number that you wanted to call. Alright, if you want to add a message, and do #7. This is an elevator call from 125 Ricefield Lane, Hauppauge, New York, elevator number 1. Hit 0 to play it back.
This is an elevator call from 125 Ricefield Lane, Hauppauge, New York, elevator number 1.
Okay, if you don't want a message, just leave it be. But then you'll have to disable the voice prompt. In this case, all the new phones are already enabled, so you don't need to do that. And then do ## to exit. If you want to double check the number that you just added, turn the program button back on and do ##0.
1 8 0 0 5 2 7 9 1 5 6.
And it's good. So I'm going to do *0 to hang up. Take off your battery, hook up your phone line, and test it out.